So here we are. We want to center the image, and we don't know where all those buttons are. So let's just try it. Let's press Command D because we want to put in some first let's put some text. Let's put in some text. Let's get all excited about the text. So we go here, we place the item, and it showed up. That's nice. Let's put in some text as well. So go here, text right, place item, and we've got the text. It doesn't matter that it's in pink. We'll just change the font right now. So we'll just change it to whatever, and the pink will disappear. So say we'll call it times. It doesn't really matter. And we'll put in some placeholder text. So we put some placeholder text, and it's all there. All right. So we've got a sea of red. We don't care. The purpose of this class is, or this segment is, just to show you how to center the graphic or fit it in the box. So let's do that. Command D, and once we press Command D, it'll go to your image folder. It's gone straight to my image folder, but you'll have to go, wherever your image folder is. And you click on the image, and it was perfect, right? But the problem is, supposing you had a box, supposing you had this kind of box, and you had it here, and now you pressed Command D. So now we deselect, always deselect, and then select. And you press Command D, and you took another image, say that one, and you said place. Now it's not fitting in the box. So how do you fit this stuff? Well, if you go up here, you'll see fill frame proportionately. And then that's fit content proportionately. And that's fit content to frame, and that's fit frame to content, and that's center content. Well, let's click on every one of them. So let's get rid of all of this stuff because we don't need it. We don't need this guy. We just need this troublesome character. So let's move it here, and let's see what happens. Actually, let's get rid of this as well. Delete. So when we click on that, it fits it proportionately. So whatever the size of the image is, it fitted proportionately. When we said fit content proportionately, it fits it in that box like it should, which is what I tend to use the most. That one just fits it to the frame. So if that frame were here and we click that, that's what would happen. You don't want that. You don't want to distort the images for no reason. So this one is fit frame to content, and I have no idea what it's doing. And that one is just center. So maybe you make these bigger so that you can see. So that's fit frame to content. So that fitted the frame to the content, right? So let's do that again. Fit frame to content. And we had that little trick. Remember, we double clicked here and it did the same thing. So that's fitting the frame to content. And this one, let's make it bigger again, and click, and it centers the content. So there you know what those little boxes are supposed to do. So let's go over it again. Let's make it bigger and say fill frame proportionately, and no matter how big your box is, it'll fit it. We go back. We say fit content proportionately, and this time it's fitted. This is the stuff you'll be using the most. Fit content proportionately, because your images will be too big. So if I were to do Command D and choose another image and say open, it's not fitting it proportionately. I click on that, it fits proportionately. That one is fit content to frame, so it fits it to the frame. That one fits the frame to content, so it yanks the frame back again and fits it to the content. And of course, the last one centers the content. So those are those little boxes sitting at the top there. They're just here, and play with them a bit. Most of the time, that's the one you want. Fit content proportionately, because you'll have your box and you'll just want the content to sit in the box. And really, you click on that and it fits it perfectly. And that's all you need to know.